Hey y'all, it's KinahIAm. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the September 2022 cloth and paper stationery subscription box. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, you know what to do. Stay tuned. So let's get this off the desk and pull the top off. And I don't know if y'all noticed there was no cloth and paper unboxing last month because I didn't get my box. Apparently, when my card expired last month, I forgot to update and I didn't get any kind of notification that they were waiting on payment. And so when I started seeing everybody getting their boxes in, I emailed them and was like, hey, where's my box? And they're like, oh, it's after the 16th. You're not getting a box. Wonderful. Thank you so much for that information. So here's our what's inside card. It just details and describes the items that are in this month's box. So I'm just going to put this up here and read the descriptions from the card. So it says, thank you for subscribing to our September 2022 planning and stationery box. We hope you enjoy this collection of our newest stylish designs we have created for you in your planning routine. And the first thing up are these tweezers, y'all. So we got the straight sticker tweezer and the curved sticker tweezer. You can never have too many tweezers, in my opinion. You have one in black and one in white. I am going to open these because I will likely be using these very soon. So here, and these are metal, they are heavy duty. On the back it says, as a brand, Cloth and Paper has always focused on minimalism, innovative design, functionality, and aesthetic when creating products. Their team is full of passionate individuals who are constantly looking for new ways to shake up the industry. Whether it's their online shop or monthly subscription boxes, the same passion and attention to detail goes into every aspect of their brand, giving their customers the best experience possible. Go ahead, Cloth and Paper. So, heavy duty metal, that is what the tip looks like. Can you hear that? Yeah. So that's the straight sticker tweezer, and here is the curved slanted. And this also has the Cloth and Paper logo here. Oh, come on off of there. So those are the slanted tweezers. So here are the two tweezers in this month's box. Moving right along, it says the Aristotle Dashboard Duo. With the Aristotle Dashboard Duo, make a visual statement with the wise motivational reminder that knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. And we have this heavy duty vellum with this brown circle here, and it layers on top of the A, and it says knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. It's a quote by Aristotle. This is the heavy duty, and y'all, this is nice. I love the way this looks. So that is the Aristotle Dashboard Duo. The next items are the spotlight stickers in pistachio, angora, and sedona. There are 3 sheets in here. I'm only going to open one so that you can see what the sizes are. And the description says, the spotlight stickers bring uniqueness and functionality to your busy and creative days with 3 colors, sedona and pistachio being new to the collection. Introduce the spotlight to your most important plans and notes. Sorry, y'all, got distracted. Okay. So we have the small, we have the medium, and we have the large size. So these are the spotlight stickers in pistachio. This is a new color, and this is a new color, and angora is a throwback for those of you that know what you know. So these are the spotlight stickers. Put this away because just so happens that the greens and the reds are popping up right before the holidays, you know. All right, spotlight sticker set. moving right along, we have a dot grid notepad, and y'all, I am loving this olive color. And it says, we realize some things need to be written down at a moment's notice. The dot grid notepad is perfect for important notes, quick doodles, and pinned ideas. Just get a up close view of that. I love that deep olive color. So that is the dot grid notepad, excuse me. The next item up is the self-discovery insert. And if I haven't already said and you haven't noticed, I have my box in half letter size. And the description for this says, reflect, release, and guide your mind, body, and soul with the self-discovery insert bundle. With the help of the Ikigai method and manifestation exercises, you'll unveil your deepest desires, values, and necessary needs for any changes you wish for in your life. So here on the first sheet, it says the process of understanding your character, values, and abilities. That is a noun, the definition of self-discovery. So we have line notes here. On this side, it says find your purpose. Ikigai, originating from the island of Okinawa, Japan, is a self-discovery method that aims to give a sense of purpose, meaning, or bliss. And then we've got a list here. It says pay attention to your thoughts, be honest with yourself, recognize patterns and habits, identify your values, be open to new perspectives, uncover what makes you unique, enjoy the process. So what you're skilled at, what you love, what the world needs, what you can be paid for, mixes with profession, passion, mission, and vocation, and Ikigai is there in the middle. So on the back side of that, lined. And then we just have several of those, grids. How many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of the blank ones with notes on the bottom and notes on the back. And then this one says, your heart will lead you to your inner self. Line notes on the back. And then we have a discovery ledger. And there are spaces to write about I admire, I excel at, my future will hold, I have a need for, I am passionate about, I wish to accomplish, I endeavor to, I am here to. We have a section to date it up here and line notes on the back. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and then the follow-up page. So this is the self-discovery insert. Next up is the November vertical week Sunday start. These are the monthly inserts for the vertical week on 2, and it says featuring one of our most popular weekly designs, sort your upcoming plans with our vertical weekly inserts in their refreshed layout. You guys know how I feel about these inserts. I love them, with the exception that they are Sunday start. I did get them for 2023 in the Monday start, and so that's what we'll be using for 2023, and I might use these for the rest of the year. We'll see. You guys know I like to change things up. So here is the vertical week on 2 Sunday start inserts. And the next thing we have is the event checklist sticky note. We're back to this green, this deep green color, y'all. Super pretty. So it says planning for a party or a trip, list all the things you need to do, buy, and prepare for any future event with the event checklist sticky note. So we've got a section checklist, date, title, place, and then we've got, you know, a checklist here. So there are 50 sheets. It's the standard 3x3 sticky note set. There you go. Sticky note event checklist. Next we have the lined notes insert, and I'm not going to take this out because it's very basic, very standard. It's just line notes. So at the top you have notes and lines. Easy, right? Last but not least, we have this month's journaling cards, and what excites me about this is we got a little color. Y'all know we typically get the white and the clear journaling cards, and I love it, but we got some color. So we have the November clear card, the monthly matte card, and then we have implementation, And it says, implement a personal audit. We believe it to be true. Real change can only happen if there are certain conditions in place and the desired change is honest. All transformations need to be carefully and truthfully considered. The conditions in which to transform should be created and nurtured. Only then can steps for real change be taken. Love the color. And then the next one says commitment. Be committed to change. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. No single instance will transform your beliefs, but as the votes build up, so does the evidence of your new identity. Small habits can make a meaningful difference by providing evidence of a new identity. And that's a quote by James Clear. And then this last one says change. Simply put, make a commitment to one thing and stay consistent with it. Simply put, make a commitment to one thing and stay consistent with it. And that's repeated 3 times. How to change your life. And then we have this nice picture down here and on the back. So these are the journaling cards this month. So we got our journaling cards. We have our line notes insert. We have our sticky notes event checklist. We have our vertical week on 2 Sunday start inserts for November. We have our self-discovery insert. We have the Grid notebook. We have the Spotlight sticker set. We have the Aristotle Dashboard Duo. And we have our tweezers. So this is the September 2022 Cloth and Paper Stationery subscription box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.